Greetings, everyone. I just wanted to share three brief announcements. First of all, we are nearing the very end of the course, so this coming week is dead week. And what that means is that we don't actually have much else going on. I mean, we don't have a discussion board. There's no the weekly assignments, etc. But I do want to encourage you to continue working on your what are we calling that final assignment, whether that's the theory practice paper or the research proposal. If you have any questions during this period, please do feel free to email me. That is due on May 5th. So basically you have like pretty much the entire week to work on it. I'd like to think that the feedback that you've gotten will be very instructive in helping you, kind of reach the home stretch on that. A few of you really spent a lot of time on the draft, so I think several of you are pretty close. I think to the product that I think you'll be happy to submit, and a few others I think I totally understand the budgeting of time, but now is the week to start putting the finishing touches on that. And I guess that's really honestly all that I have, other than this is the very first time that this course has been offered. It's kind of like the pilot version of, at present. So I want to thank you all for a great experience. And because this is kind of like the pilot version, I very much appreciate your feedback. So I consider this course to be a work in progress. So if there were things about the course that you felt were not real conducive for your learning experience, please let me know what those are. There's an anonymous online forum for that purpose. Or also, if there's elements of the course that you thought worked really well for you, I want to know those as well, so that I don't scrap those inadvertently and scrap those before really recognizing how beneficial they truly were. So I think that's it for now, and I hope to see you guys in future classes. Have a great weekend.